recording?
Yeah, we're on the air. We recorded like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Okay.
14, 15, 16, 17,
Shut up!
19, 20, 21.
Right, now you messed up. Right, now it's commercial.
What? It is not messed up. I will not stand for this. You will get in my grass. I have to kill you.
That helicopter Hummer, not only does it have fuel starter control, if you guys even know what that is, but it can fly. I'm sorry. And it's also packed with uranium. You know, a lot of stuff we sell is packed with uranium. I'm not going to name them because I can't remember. Shut up! So, the helicopter Hummer. Buy it for $1 million.
That was $1,000.
Shut up!
Hey.
Do not throw it in a fire. This is what happens. Hey guys, let's throw this baby in the fire.
Okay, wait, no, don't do that. That would be...
We're dead.
Buy the helicopter Hummer for $9,000. You will get $10 off your order when you order now with a box of Drillilicious strawberries. Thank you. And
Don't.
have a nice day.
No.
Oh, also, make sure to get some of that luxurious lotion. That stuff is still pretty good.